So I've been looking through some of the data and the analytics that I showed in the last video to get some ideas to why certain posts are doing better than other posts. And I wasn't having a lot of luck. I was looking through tags and headlines, looking at the transcripts of these. So I finally decided to just put the post directly into one of Gemini's models and ask it to analyze it for me. And it did come out with some interesting ideas that we'll be able to test. And the ones I'm interested in is it flagged the Salesforce post as having actionable insights, things that readers can potentially implement within their own businesses, also clear value propositions in terms of the reader's time. So when I went to the YouTube data, it also seemed to back this up. We see that the top ranked one, which is lead generation ideas that actually work, is also saying, hey, here's some tips that you can have that are actionable. And then the second one that just started to get some traffic today is hyper video techniques. So it does seem like this is a valid hypothesis of presenting to users techniques, things that can be actionable within their own businesses, may provide much more value. So I'm going to test this out. I'm going to take some of the old podcasts from last week, try to generate some clips that are more on the actionable side, push those out next week, and we'll be able to see, do those rank higher than the others. I'll also take next week's podcasts themselves and start to move them toward things which would be more actionable for the listener. And if this turns out to be the case, that this starts to drive more traffic, then I think we have a really important basis on which to start building this community and start understanding how to use AI to generate content for a vibrant community. So it's pretty exciting, but we still have to test it. There'll be another week to see if we can kind of start to shift this and hopefully see some changes. All right, so I will update you with the next steps as soon as I find them out.